So welcome back. I'm Chef Elmer. So today, gagawa tayo ng crispy oatmeal cookies. Ang ingredients na kailangan natin ay butter, white sugar, light brown sugar, egg, vanilla, honey, flour, coffee, baking powder, crispy rice, chocolate chips, and oatmeal. So before we start mixing, let's preheat our oven sa 375 Fahrenheit. Then, mag-line tayo ng baking sheet. Lagyan natin ng wax paper. So, let's start. So the first step is we need to cream our butter. Just place your room temperature butter sa bowl. Then cream it with a hand mixer. Then, add in your sugar. Vanilla. Honey. Then mix it until well combined. Then, add in your eggs. So pag mag-add kayo ng eggs, paisa-isa lang. Once your butter mixture is already well incorporated, just set it aside. I-mix naman natin ang dry ingredient. Just mix together the baking soda, flour, and coffee. Then, mix in the flour mixture sa butter mixture. After mixing your flour and butter mixture, add in your oatmeal and chocolate chips. Then, fold in the Rice Krispies. Once our dough is already well mixed, ready na siya i-pan. So use a scooper. So, bake your cookies for 10 to 15 minutes. So we're done with our chocolate chip cookies. Thank you and enjoy.